Hey guys, if you want to get this foxy makeup look for hooded eyes, then please keep watching.
So for this look, we're going to try mimicking the Bella Hadid's famous foxy eye makeup trend. Okay, to start off my base, I'm using the Colorbar primer and blending that all over my face and neck. And prepping my lips with the Biotique Biofruit Lip Balm. If y'all have been following my channel, y'all will know how much I love this lip balm. Moving on to color correcting, I'm using the LA Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade Orange. And adding that to areas I feel that I have discoloration in. And blending the corrector with the damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Sun Beige and blending that all over my skin with a fluffy kabuki brush. While applying your foundation, make sure to use a stamping motion rather than a swiping, as that will give you more coverage. Also, don't forget your neck. And once again, going over my foundation with a damp beauty blender to take out any excess product. Now for the brows, I'm filling them in with L'Oreal's Brow Artist Brow Pomade. Since we are going for the foxy makeup look, we need our brows to be filled upward rather than in an arch. Filling our brows that way will make our brows look more feline and will help us with the entire foxy makeup look. I have seen a lot of YouTubers shave off the end of their brows to get this similar foxy eye makeup look, but it's definitely not needed, as you could do wonders with just carving out your brows with a little bit of concealer. Over here, I'm using the LA Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And blending that in with the help of a flat concealer brush. Concealer has been used for ages to change up people's eyebrow shapes. Once that's all blended, I will also be priming my eyes with the same concealer. And setting my eyelids with the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. Now the key to get the foxy feline eye makeup look, the key is Scotch tape. Yes, you heard me right, it's Scotch tape. So I start off by tearing 2 pieces of Scotch tape and sticking it to the back of my hand. This ensures that the excessive stickiness is removed. Once that's done, I take the tape and stick them to the outer corner of my eyes in the shape I want my eyeshadow and eyeliner to be in. For my transition shade, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette. Rest assured, as you don't need to be precise in your application. And using a fluffy blending brush to blend all of it in. Now using a milk chocolate shade to darken up the crease. And lastly, going in with a dark chocolate shade to deepen up the crease. Once again, you don't need to be precise in your application. Since I was craving some sparkle, I'm using a brown glitter sparkly shade to just lighten up my lids. Now using a charcoal shade to darken up my outer corner. As you can see, I'm being precise here as I want it to be in the shape of my eyeliner. Now for the reveal, just peel off the tape and you have a gorgeous Foxy eye makeup. Moving on, I'm just applying a little bit of concealer to my face. Adding concealer after finishing your eye makeup also takes care of any fallout you may have had during your eye makeup. And blending my concealer in with a damp beauty blender. This also helps in crisping up your foxy eyes. To contour my face, I'm using my staple Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Oaks on You. And blending that in with my same foundation brush, as that will give an even skin tone effect. For my nose, I'm being more precise and using a blending brush, since no one wants a brown muddy nose. For highlighting, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey and highlighting all the high points of my face. Blending that in with the damp beauty blender. To set my contour, I'm using the same Wet n Wild contour palette. We need sharp contour lines as Bella Hadid has a very sharply contoured face. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm using the Inglot Gel Eyeliner and lining my eyes with a angled eyeliner brush. Lining our eyes is easier as we already have the shape drawn out for us. Now repeating the same eyeshadow shades on the lower lash line as well. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and tight lining my eyes with the K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade. Time for some falsies! Now to add a little bit of color to my cheeks, I'm using the Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in the shade Fresh Coral and blending that in with a blender as well. For my lips, I've lined my lips with a pink lip liner followed with a dark brown lip liner as well. Once the lips are nicely filled in, I've used a dark burgundy shade all over my lips and added a skin tone peach to give it more dimension. For my favorite step, I've just highlighted my highest points with a golden champagne highlighter shade. Since I wanted a more glossy look, I added a brown glitter gloss over my lips. And to finish off the look, I setted my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Let that dry and you're done!
Hey guys, so this is the final makeup look. If you like this makeup look, please like and subscribe and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye!